puppy. Today let's find out the names of 17 different wild animals. Part 3 of 6. The first on our list for the day is the penguin. Penguin. Then we have the orangutan. Orangutan. Next is the three-toed sloth. Three-toed sloth. Then we have the wild boar. Wild boar. Next is the echidna. Echidna. Then we have the rabbit. Rabbit. The next wild animal on our list for the day is the viscacha. Viscacha. Next we have the daegu. Daegu. Then we have the shrew. Shrew. Next is the quail. Quail. The next animal on our list is the lemur. Lemur. Then we have the macaque. The macaque. The next animal on our list is the proboscis monkey. Proboscis monkey. Next is the badger. Badger. Then we have the two-horned rhino. Two-horned rhino. Next is wolf. Wolf. And the last wild animal on our list for the day is the jackal. Jackal. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different wild animals. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. And be sure to check out the other parts of our wild animal series to know the names of more wild animals. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Puppy.